Welcome, my dear students, to PN Mercy e-learning classes. So, my dear children, today we are going to start with new chapter, that is Who Gets the Bag. This chapter will make you understand the true spirit of friendship and how it relates to trust and understanding in everyone's life and their actions. So, children, friendship is based on trust and understanding. A good friend is worth more than 100 bags of gold. This is a proverb. A good friend is more than 100 bags of gold. So, once upon a time, there were three friends named Amol, Pranit, and Sham. They lived in a village. They were very poor, so they decided to go to another village to find jobs. On their way, they passed through a forest. After walking for some time, they felt tired. They sat down under a shady tree to take rest. Since they were all hungry, they went in different directions in search of food. They promised to return to the same shady tree with whatever they could find and wait for the other two there. After a long search, Pranit felt tired and lay down in an open space surrounded by bushes. Suddenly, he saw a bag near the bushes. He picked up the bag and opened it. There were gold coins in it. Sticking to his promise to his two friends, he returned to the meeting point under the shady tree. His friends Amol and Sham were already there. As they saw a bag over Pranit's shoulder, they rushed towards him. Their eyes gleamed at the sight of gold coins. What is the meaning of gleamed? The eyes shine so brightly. The three of them got busy counting the gold coins. Suddenly, Amol had an evil idea. What is the meaning of evil idea? Bad idea, which is not at all good. He said to Pranit and Sham that he was feeling very hungry. Since all were hungry, they decided to eat something before dividing the gold coins in 3 equal portions. Now that they had money, Amol offered to bring food from a nearby village. The two others decided to stay there with the bag. They gave a gold coin to Amol to bring the food for all of them. As Amol walked towards the village, his mind was occupied with the wicked thoughts of how he could take all the gold coins. What is the meaning of wicked thoughts? Wicked means bad thoughts, evil thoughts you can say. After buying the food, he mixed poison in the food. The other two were no less evil-minded. Evil-minded means the other two were also the same greedy nature. They were also having the bad thought for their friends. They also thought of getting all the gold for themselves. They decided to kill Amol when he came back. As soon as Amol approached them, they hit him with a stick and killed him. Then they sat down to eat the food in which Amol had already mixed the poison. Soon the poison had its effect on them. They too died on the spot. In this way, none of them could get the gold coins. The bag containing gold coins lay near the 3 dead bodies. Their individual greed not only deprived them of the gold but also brought about their sudden death. So, children, here the friends died because of greed towards money. If they had divided the gold coins in between them, then they might not have lost their life and will be happy ever after. Moral of the story is that we must not be greedy in such times. When we have good friends, as you can see in that, The gold coins were now of no use because all of the three lost their friendship, trust, and their valuable life because of their greed. So the key value or the moral value you can say of this chapter is trust. What is trust? Trust is the hardest thing to gain and the easiest thing to lose. Trust is said to have confidence, faith, or hope in someone or something. An example of trust you can see in everyday life, that is believing that the sun will rise in the morning. So it is well said that the trust is something that is earned through our actions. So my dear children, the most important basic thing in friendship is being able to have trust, respect, confidence, honor, and dependability. It makes us feel safe with friends to make plans and safe to share ourselves and our lives. Hope children, you have understood this moral value. Stay home, stay safe.